Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to use field upgrades to control the battlefield in COD Warzone Mobile. While to do that, deploy trophy systems. Protect your team from enemy grenades and rockets. Use dead silence. Move silently to flank enemies or evade detection. Employ stopping power rounds. Increase weapon damage for quick elimination. Drop a munition box. Replenish ammo for your team during intense firefights. Deploy recon drones. Scout enemy positions and plan your next move. Active UAVs. Reveal enemy location for your team and plan ambushes. Lay down tactical insertions. Strategically respond closer to objectives or teammates. Utilize gas masks. Survive in the toxic gas longer to outlast opponents. Deploy armor plates. Keep your squad well armored during engagements. Use EMP drones. Disable enemy equipment and vehicles to gain the upper hand. Drop deployable covers. Create temporary barriers for protection or to block enemy lines of sight. Active advanced UAVs. Unveil precise enemy positions, including those using ghost perks. Deploy recon balloons. Reveal nearby enemy positions on the minimap. Use field upgrades for strategic retreats. Create distraction or cover for a tactical retreat. Employ tac insert for flanking maneuvers. Respond behind enemy lines to catch them off guard. Drop portable radars. Detect nearby enemies and plan your approach accordingly. Active tactical nukes. Devastate enemy forces and secure victory in critical moments. Employ stun grenades. Temporarily disorient enemies for easier eliminations. Use flashbangs. Blind enemies to gain a crucial advantage in close quarters combat. And that's how to use field upgrades to control the battlefield in COD Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.